What's up designers? Today in this video we will be creating a simple Valorant theme logo animation in After Effects. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, let's create a composition with 1920 by 1080 and 50 fps and name it logo. Then import a file of your desired logo. For this video I am using Sentinel's logo. Select the iFile and mouse right click, go to create then shape. That's how we can make the shape from iFile. Select fill and choose your desired color. In this video I am using red color. Let's scale the logo from 100 to 45. Select the layer and press P to adjust the position of the logo. Then select the pen tool from the tools bar. After 32 frames, the layer, go to Contents, Group 1, Path 1 and Path. Then select a keyframe there, also same with Group 2. Come back to the frame 1, then select the anchor points of right side of the logo. Then selecting all those anchor points, then bring the anchors down below and remaining anchor point bring up. Again go to Group 2, transform the make a keyframe and move the shape like the Group 1 shape. Select all keyframes and Easy Ease with F9. Go to Graph Editor, select both keyframes and make a curve like this. Then go 20 frames and again select those anchor points and animate them like this. Go to Group 2 and Path Animation like this. After animating, select all anchor points and easy ease them with pressing F9. Then adjust the curves in Graph Editor. Let's adjust all the frames. Go to Shape tool and make shapes like this and scale it. Then animate them with position, scale it. Last but not least, make a opacity animation. Make a color overlay effects, make it white. That's how we made this cool looking logo animation. If you guys like this video, then like and share this video and comment your valuable opinions. This is Eagle BZN, will come with another video next time. Peace.